New York has issued a special marine warning for Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 miles. Waters from Montauk Point, New York.
Okay, let me just go upstairs. Let me go upstairs.
25 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 10 nautical miles west of Buoy, 44,017 to 26 nautical miles south of Moriches Inlet, moving east at 20 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Buoy, 44,017 around 7:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, highways, dangerous lanes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. And Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for